the line y equal to x by k plus k, where k is a constant, is a tangent to the curve 4y equal to x square at the point P. Find the value of k. Given equations are line y equal to x by k plus k and the curve equation 4y is equal to x square. Now, he said this line is a tangent to the curve. What do we mean by that? Let us say this is the curve equation. Line is a tangent to the curve could only happen if the line is meeting the curve at only one point. Line intersecting the curve at only one point, that is when we can say it is a tangent. Clear? So tangent means line is intersecting the curve at only one point. If it is intersecting at only one point, what condition should we make use of is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Line intersecting the curve at only one point, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now, if I make use of this condition, I get the value of the constant k. Now, to make use of this condition, there should be a quadratic equation. And how do I get a quadratic equation? By solving these two. Clear? Now, let us solve them. Here it is y equal to something. So, here also make y the subject. And how can I make y the subject? If I divide by 4. So, this cancel out. Y is equal to x square by 4. Okay. So, now both of them are y. So, equate both. So, what do I get? X by k plus k is equal to x square by 4. Let us simplify this side. How? By 1 you take and LCM you take. LCM of k and 1 is k. Here k, so this I don't need to multiply with anything. 1 should turn into k, so I need to multiply with k. So when I am multiplying to the denominator to the numerator also, I should multiply with k. So that will result in k square is equal to x square by 4. Next, cross multiply. This entire thing needs to be multiplied with 4. And this thing you multiply with k, resulting in kx square. So next step, multiply with 4. So what do you get? You get 4x plus 4k square is equal to kx square. Okay. Now bring all the terms to one side and write it in proper quadratic form. What I mean is, I shift these terms to the other side. So what do I have? Kx square on this side. Here plus 4x after shifting minus 4x. Here plus 4k square after shifting minus 4k square is equal to 0. Compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I get a value to be k, b to be, b is the coefficient of x minus 4 and c is equal to the constant minus 4k square. Okay. Now, let us replace the values of a, b and c in this condition. So, what do I get if I replace? In place of b, minus 4. So, minus 4 whole square minus 4 times a is k and c is minus 4k square is equal to 0. Here minus 4 whole square is 16. Here minus will become plus. 4 and 4 is 16. K and k square is k cube is equal to 0. Now subtract 16 from both sides such that this cancel out, leaving you with 16k cube is equal to minus 16. Now divide by 16 on both sides such that k cube is equal to minus 1. To get k, send cube to the other side. So k is equal to minus 1 power 1 by 3, or I take 1 by 3 on both sides to remove the power 3. So minus 1 power 1 by 3 is minus 1. So the value of k that we get is minus 1. Okay.